Hello and good evening everyone. Today I am back with one another topic that is about the formation of sentence, and we will going to learn how can we make simple and easy sentence with the help of few elements. And let's start. So I have written few elements on the slide, the formation of sentence. And if we want to form any sentence, we need few things. For an example, we need ideas, thoughts, imaginations, opinions, and feelings. If we want to express something, so we need these things, and it should be in clear expression, group of words, and then we also need arranging in definite order, and it should be complete and meaningful sense. So if you want to form any sentence, if you want to express your feelings, for that you need group of words, and you also need to arrange them in proper and definite order, and that should give some meaning so that the person or the people to whom you are talking can understand about your feelings, whatever you want to express. So moving forward, if you want to understand the meaning of the sentence, or I can say the definition of the sentence, so I have written here, a sentence is an arrangement of a group of words put together in a definite order that expresses a complete and meaningful sense. Having said that, a sentence should be in a proper arrangement of group of words, and we have to put them together in a proper definite order. Then only we can be able to express our thoughts, our feelings, or our imagination, whatever things which is going on in your mind. You can easily able to express your feelings, and these things should be in complete and meaningful sense. And if we see on the slide, there are few examples. The please shut door. So the sentence is the please shut door. Here we are expressing our feelings. We are trying to convey the message, the thought which we are thinking. But the problem is that we are not able to arrange these words in proper definite order. We have gathered few words here, a group of words here, or we can say vocabularies. But we couldn't able to arrange them in proper, complete and definite order. And it is also not giving any meaningful sense. So as I told you, the sentence should be in proper and meaningful sense. Another example, the moves earth the sun round. Again, there is the same problem. We have gathered a group of words, and we are also expressing our thoughts, but these words are not in proper and definite order, and we are not getting any meaningful sense. So these two sentences are incorrect. We cannot use these sentences in English. Moving forward, so now we will going to understand about the definite order. In definite order, we understand how can we make simple sentences here. For example, please shut the door. I have taken the same example which I was talking about in the previous slides. So it is saying please shut the door, and here we have gathered group of words, We have arranged them in proper and definite order, and the sentence is also complete. It is also giving meaningful sense. Another example, the earth moves round the sun. Again, we have corrected the sentence here. We have gathered the same group of words with the help of the same group of words which we have used in the previous slide. The earth moves round the sun. It is also giving proper meaningful sense. The sentence is complete and group of words are also in proper and definite order. So these two sentences are correct. Moving forward, now we will going to understand about the incomplete sentence, because in English we have to give the proper complete sentences with a meaningful sense. We cannot use incomplete sentences. Fine, so let's see, for example, which I like most. I am expressing my feeling. I am asking which I like most. Or I am telling about my choices. But the problem is that these words are not arranged in proper definite order, and the sentence is also incomplete. Somehow we are getting meaning here, or we can say incomplete meaning, but the sentence is incorrect. Another example, because you are late. Again, it is also giving some meaning, but that is incomplete meaning, or we can say incomplete sentence. We have gathered group of words here, but these words are not in proper definite order. We haven't arranged them in proper order, so these two sentences are incorrect. Now we will going to understand about the formation of complete sentence. How can we able to make complete sentence, or how can we make simple and easy sentence with the help of these elements. For example, 2 and 2 is 5. I am trying to say 2 and 2 is 5. So the sentence is complete because it is giving proper and complete meaningful sense. So this sentence is correct. Another example, I was born 500 years ago. So I am telling something about myself. I am trying to express my feeling that I was born 500 years ago, and the sentence is correct because it is also giving complete and meaningful sense. So these two sentences are correct. These both sentences are correct. So moving forward, now before moving forward, I would like to put few examples. The dog barked. It rained. She is sleeping. I like coffee. He built a house. They are playing football. The flowers are beautiful. It seems tired. The water is cold. So, whenever you want to practice or you are speaking in front of someone, so always try to form simple and easy sentences so that the person can understand about your feelings or whatever you want to express. So try to use easy and simple words. Do not use difficult words. Do not try to show. So we should not try to show over smartness by using difficult words. Alright, so moving forward, I have a conversation here and it is regarding a hotel conversation. So there are two persons and they are talking to each other, and we have receptionist and guest here. Two people, they are talking to each other and expressing about their ideas, about their opinion. So let's see. Receptionist: good evening. Welcome to our hotel. Are you checking today? Guest: yes, I am. I made a reservation online a couple of weeks ago. It should be under the name Mark Dawson. Now, the receptionist will going to answer. Let me pull that up. Yes, Mr. Dawson, you have booked a standard double room for 3 nights. May I please see a valid ID and the credit card used for the booking? And now the guest will going to answer. Sure, here's my passport and card. Is breakfast complimentary? The guest is asking about the breakfast. And now the receptionist will going to answer the question. Receptionist: yes, breakfast is served from 6:30 to 10 a.m. in the lounge downstairs. We will place a temporary hold on your card for any incidentals, but nothing will be charged unless used. Guest: totally fine. Also, could I request a wake-up call for 7 a.m. tomorrow? Receptionist: absolutely. I have set that up for you. Here is your key card. You are in room 715 on the 7th floor. Enjoy your stay, sir. So, if you see the slide, we have, so we can see the slide, they both are expressing their ideas with each other. And if you have noticed one thing, when I was doing this conversation, I was trying to focus on my pronunciation and my accent. So whenever you want to speak in English, you need to focus on your pronunciation with your accent. What happens generally, we try to speak in our native language, and just because of that, because we are habitual of speaking our native language, so that is the problem. That is why we face the problem whenever we want to speak English, because we get confused between our native language and English. So if you want to practice, try to be more fluent about your pronunciation and accent, and always try to practice whenever you get time, at your home, at your office, with your colleague, or at your school. Whichever way is easier for you, do it. Do not wait for the perfect time, because time doesn't wait for anyone. So you need to get some time. You need to cut the slack so that you can get time for your practice, and practice makes man perfect. If you want to become more successful in your life, so you need to practice. Till then, I would like to say thank you, because you have listened my lecture, and thank you for listening me. For more videos, you want to follow